Hello guys, now today is a special day because I will be showing you guys my new, it's not new, but my best model truck for Trucking Tuesday. So this truck is, I believe, a Workstar truck made by Workstar in real life. And yeah, I believe this, I know that this was made by Greenlight. They make models, expensive models, and expensive model vehicles they make. And yeah, I am very lucky to have this for as cheap as I got it, which was very cheap. And yeah, I got this for a relatively cheap price of, I think only I think I got it for like 25 instead of for like a discount, instead of the regular $35 that this model had, that this model was to be paid for. Yeah. And I think it is a really nice model to have in my collection. You can see I have put some dirt in it. It does function. This does open. This does tip. I'm just going to tip the dirt out so I can show you. So this opens and it goes out. This is a little bit broken because it's very delicate. As you can see, I just get something to point with. Let's use Concord's nose. That's a good idea. So as you can see right here, there was a bar going to there, but that bar has broken off, I believe, on both sides. Yep. Unfortunately, right, I don't have the box either. Right here, you can see the nice, very detailed lights, bumper and grille with the Workstar logo. Here we have a nice see-through window with the steering wheel and dashboard inside. Right here, the on both sides, I believe the mirrors have broken off, unfortunately. Yeah, the doors, I don't believe they open, but as you can see, it's the windows open on there, very detailed, as you can see. Yeah, very detailed. There's some backlights for you. Lights at the back, mud flaps, and then looking on the underside, also very detailed on the underside, but not as detailed. You can see all those little. I got this from the Adelaide 500 this year. So you can see here it's got some very nice fuel tanks and other parts that you'd see. Got nice wheels, rims and tires, and then the doubles here and mud flaps. And yeah, overall I think this is a really great model. Rolls really well. Not a toy for really young kids, but you can have it, like not like a toy, like even though I am a kid, I have this as a model and not a toy. To compare this, I will grab a Hot Wheels car. It it's sort of to scale. This is a Jaguar SUV kind of thing. I'll grab you a car that you can. It's not to scale with. So if you have a look at the Jaguar and this is definitely not to scale. But if you have a look at, just grab this truck here. You can see it's definitely not to scale. So yeah, I will grab a plane as well to show you. So I'll show you my Concorde next to it. I'm going to show you my 321 next to it. Pretty much the same size because they're the same scale. And I'm going to grab a 747, really big truck this is, compared to my planes. There's my C-17. And I'll grab something really small. Yeah, very small. I will grab my Major A380 for you, and then probably one of my smallest models right there. Fits right inside. I'll grab my actual smallest model. But you can fit right inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.